So we're here getting ready to float the river. Almost ready. Okay. 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 I'm in. I need that. Oh, I'm floating away.
Oh my. Jesus.
I need that.
Oh my.
Whoa, Nelly. So now what do I do? Little notch there. Perfect.
Bye, Felicia.
Yay. Oh, hey. Well, we're floating, y'all. Floaty doty. What are they doing? This is nice. Oh, there we go. Hi, Carter.
God, I do look like full of nerve on the But the only bad thing is how wide it is.
Oh, my thing is crooked. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Say hi to your fans. What's the best part of floating the river?
She bought me a nice wooden one that was steel. I mean, it was a cheapie, but it was still a nice decorative one.
Look, she is getting it.
And I just drag with that and it'll steer you. You just need to make like a little adjustments. It makes you like on the edge of the raft and your legs into and the waves and ripples are there.
Oh gosh, it's picking up. Yeah, I need a TV tray. We're gonna buy one. I need a.
They make them.
Am I recording or not?
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Bunk. Do you not see where I'm at? Ah.
Lean about level with your body weight.
Oh, much better.
Come here. Carter, come here. Mama.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
So we're leaving the island. Oh gosh. Oh shoot. There we go.
This is f***ed up.
Bonk bonk. All right, I gotta navigate. I'm good, I'm good. I'm just trying to make sure I get some video of these cows. Uh-huh. I mean, it wasn't bad.
Step on off.
Push, muscle man, push. All right, so we're done on the river.
Someone's gotta change.